Hi, my name's William. I work in the warehouse at ADU Industries. Odds are, if you got a package from us, I'm the one who shipped it. I like to ride fast, which is why I ride the Devinci Spartan. So I have the 29-inch Spartan. I run a large, which helps me go a bit faster over some of that steep technical stuff. One of the many reasons I chose this bike is because it feels like a downhill bike that's also capable of ascending. I run a GX group set. I put the XO cranks on along with a zero offset chainring. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions or to find your local dealer, go to adu.co.nz.